Good morning, everybody. I am M.M. Bilarshan, Assistant Teacher, Raghunathpur Secondary School, Dumuria, Pune. How are you? I hope that you all are well at home by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I will take an English second paper class for the students of class 6. I will teach article. Do you know what article is? Actually, article is a letter or a group of letters which sits before a noun to indicate whether the noun is prementioned or known or unknown. Clear? Again, article is a letter or a group of letters which sits before a noun to indicate whether the noun is prementioned or known or unknown. Someone says that A, N, and the are called articles. Okay. In English, there are two types of article. These are definite article and indefinite article. Number two, come back to my class. In English, there are two types of article. These are definite article and indefinite article. Now we have to know what definite article is and what indefinite article is. At first, come to indefinite article. Actually, a definite article is a group of letters which sits before a noun to indicate that the noun is known or pre-mentioned. Okay, remember it. Definite article is a group of letters which sits before a noun to indicate that the noun is known or pre-mentioned. There is only one definite article, and that one is the. Definite article is only the. And indefinite article? What is indefinite article? Indefinite article is a letter or a group of letters which sits before a noun to indicate that the noun is unknown to us. Clear? An indefinite article is a letter or a group of letters which sits before a noun to indicate that the noun is not pre-mentioned. Actually, it is unknown to us. There are two indefinite articles in English. These are A and That is why someone says that there are three articles in English. These are A, N, and D. And they say that A, N, and D are called articles. Now we will have to know the use of article. At first, we will come to definite article. Already we have known that there is only one definite article, and that one is D. Now we will have to know where D sits. You will have to remember that if any noun is known to us or it is pre-mentioned, article D sits before it. Clear? If any noun is known to us or it is pre-mentioned, article D sits before it. Suppose I have bought the book. I have bought the book. If I say this way, the book. This one is known to us. I have bought it. I have bought the book. I have bought the book. I have bought I have bought the book. If the book is pre-mentioned or known to us, we can say definite article will sit before it. I can say I have bought a book. You don't know which book I have bought. In that case, indefinite article will be used. But if the noun is pre-mentioned or known to us, article D will sit before. Okay. Then article D sits before the name of any newspaper. Article D sits before the name of any newspaper. Suppose I read Prothom Alo. Article D will sit here. Because Prothom Alo is the name of a newspaper. I read the Prothom Alo or the Doinik Prothom Alo. And article D sits before the holy books, religious books. Okay. Article D sits before the holy books or religious books. Suppose my mother recites Quran only. Quran. Article D will sit here. Because the Quran, Holy Quran, it's a religious book, it's a holy book. That is why article D will sit before it. My mother recites from the Holy Quran. Article D sits before any famous book. Article D sits before any famous book. Suppose Rabindranath Tagore wrote as Gitanjali. Gitanjali is a famous book of Rabindranath Tagore. That's why article D will sit here. Rabindranath Tagore wrote the Gitanjali. Clear? Article D sits before the name of any river, sea, or ocean. Article D sits before the name of any river, sea, or ocean. Just example, Dhaka stands on dash Buriganga. Buriganga is the name of a river. That is why article the will sit here. Dhaka stands on the Buriganga. Okay. Article the sits before the name of any hill or mountain. Article the sits before the name of any hill or mountain. Example, Everest is the highest mountain. Everest is the highest mountain. Everest is the name of a mountain. That is why article the will sit here. Article the sits before the name of any launch or ship or spacecraft. Okay, article the sits before the name of any ship, launch, or spacecraft. Just example. Yes. Titanic sank on its first voyage. Titanic sank on its first voyage. Titanic is the name of a ship. That's why article the will sit here. Clear? If a famous noun is compared to another famous noun, article the will sit before the famous noun to whom or to which another one is compared. Just example, Nazrul is that Byron of Bangladesh. Here, Byron is a famous English poet. Nazrul is a famous Bengali poet. Here, Nazrul is compared to Byron. That is why article the will sit before Byron. Nazrul is the Byron of Bangladesh. Now, we will come to indefinite article. There are two indefinite articles. These are a and an. Indefinite article. A and n. Now we will have to know where a sits and where n sits. If any word starts with consonant letter, article a sits before it. If any word starts with consonant letter, article a sits before a. Just example, I have got dash computer. আমি একটা কম্পিউটার কিনেছি article the word computer starts with c, it's a consonant letter, that's why article a will sit here. Second rule, if any word starts with vowel letter or the word is pronounced as vowel, article n sits before it. Just example, I saw dash elephant. I saw dash elephant. Elephant. The word elephant starts with E, a vowel letter, and it is pronounced as vowel sound. Elephant. A. That's why article N sits before it. I saw an elephant. So these two are the ground rule. If any word starts with consonant letter, article A sits before it, and if any word starts with vowel letter, article N sits before it. But there are some exceptional. Thus, I saw dash one eyed man. Thus, one, the word starts with vowel letter. But we will have to remember that if O is pronounced as wa, if O is pronounced as wa, article A sits before it. So the answer will be I saw a one-eyed man. Is dash honest. Consider this sentence honest. The word starts with A, a consonant letter, but pronunciation starts from the O. Pronunciation starts from O. If any word starts with consonant letter, but pronunciation starts from the next vowel letter, article and sits before it. So the answer will be she is an honest woman. He is dash university graduate. The word university starts with vowel letter, but if any word starts with E or U but pronounced as U, article and article A sits before it. Article A sits before A. No more today. Thank you everybody. I pray to Allah that He might keep you safe and sound. See you again in my next class. Allah Hafiz.